Hello everyone, this is my review of the Auracle Earwax Removal Eddy Ear Cleaner. Instead of pushing wax deeper, the water irrigation system helps loosen and flush everything out more comfortably. The device offers multiple pressure settings, so you can adjust it to what feels best for you. I also like how easy it is to use. You fill the reservoir with warm water, attach one of the silicone tips, and it's ready to go in seconds. Another thing I noticed is the adjustable nozzle. Being able to adjust the angle makes it much easier to clean comfortably without awkward positioning. The rechargeable design is a big plus. The battery lasts a long time and it's waterproof, so cleaning it afterward is simple and convenient. I also like that it comes with multiple irrigation tips and accessories, so the whole setup feels complete right out of the box. Overall, it just feels like a cleaner and more modern way to handle ear care at home. If you want an easier and gentler alternative to cotton swabs for ear cleaning, this is definitely worth trying. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.